Iaô, Kadochikok, cu deporte.
Brasileiro Neymar está na Las Vegas desfrutando de sua vacância. Ele vai uma foto com seu ídolo, ex-basquetebolista Michael Jordan. Neymar faz todo o esforço para poder tomar uma foto com o icon de basquetebol mundial e aproveitar para sacar a foto junto com Jordan. E de 12 semanas de Golf Camp na Tierra del Sol está contando com mais participantes.
Mas mucha allega pasinha golf e algum padrecha ng golf swing. Maxima Mongar pa primeiro biata participar num camp de golf e a primeiro biata dalumbala e tem talento para vir golfer.
I think it's really fun. I feel good. I feel like pretty advanced almost and I'm just starting. So, I don't know, I'm learning quickly.
You feeling that you're hitting the ball
Yeah.
well?
Yeah, very well. Yeah.
And the tip that you're getting from James, how to stand up, how to backswing and go through.
Yeah, they're really helping me be better and I feel like I have improved my swing just today. So
But improving today, how you start with golf, give you a courage to continue
yes,
with golf?
definitely. I think I want to pursue this golf career. I guess, yeah. I want to, yeah,
So you're enjoying this camp also?
a lot.
Pa Vincent Testor e camp Tayuda.
I used to when I held the golf club, I didn't really hold it very right because he taught me to interlock my fingers, and yeah, it's pretty much Andy taught me how to lean forward when you go in for a good shot, and yes, and he taught me to look for wind, to all the tactics pretty much.
Yeah. So this camp helped you a lot?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Yeah,
And you will continue playing golf?
definitely.
Yeah, this week I have almost 15 kids, and they all seem very energetic. And you can see some of them actually have some great talent, so it's nice to work with.
The most of them is the first time they hit some golf balls, no?
Some of them are coming back year after year to the clinics, but some of them it is new to them. But it's very nice to see that they're out here, enjoying themselves and having fun.
About the camp cell, they enjoying it? Every part of it?
Yes, absolutely. Nothing but smiles on their faces. They all enjoy the putting that we do in the beginning part of the classes, and then we feed them in lunch halfway in between. And as you can see, they're here at the driving range, warming up, hitting some balls. And it's fun because it's fun for them to get out and hit some golf balls as well, and then learn a little bit more about the game.
A lot of questions?
A few here and there, some of the usual questions of, can I drive the golf cart actually? But, they're all enjoying themselves, and that's the main focus of these
You're happy
clinics.
with them?
Absolutely, absolutely. They're all great kids, and they listen well, so that's a good thing.